Hello guys, this is Means Beautiful. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify your skin type at home. Yes, you know if you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, or sensitive skin. Watch this video to the end to get to know how to identify your skin type at home. Guys, this is Means Beautiful. Yes, you're welcome guys, wherever you might be watching me from. Welcome guys. Today is the 4th of September. Yes, and it's a Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. Okay, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to identify your skin type at home. Yeah, we have different types of skin type. First of all, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, please do well to subscribe. There is a thumbs up to show you like my video, and the bell icon below, just click on it so that anytime there is a new video, it's going to notify you. Okay guys, remember, if you have any comments or questions, there is a comment section below. Please remember to drop it and I'm going to reply. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify your skin type at home. Yes, you can see my skin is popping, glowing, right? Okay guys, there are two ways of identifying your skin type. That's my own two ways which I researched and use. Okay, there are two ways of identifying your skin type at home. The first method, very easy. Yes, it's just like you need time. You have to have enough time on your hand. That is the watch and wait method. This is the at-home test. What I'm doing is for you to identify your skin type at home. It's not using any machine or what have you. This is the one you do at home. Okay, this one you understand, you will get to understand the type of skin you have by just observing and see how your skin behaves. So you have to start, you have to wash your face either with your face soap or a gentle face cleanser, and then gently pat to dry. Yeah, after that, do you know what you do? Just wait, give it 30 minutes. That's why I said you need time. This test requires time. You need time to be able to identify your skin type. Then now, after the long wait of 30 minutes, if your skin appears shiny throughout, that's here shiny, here shiny, here shiny, you are likely, probably you have an oily skin. But if it feels tight, you just feel this tightness on your skin after cleansing, 30 minutes waiting, you know, after the 30 minutes there's no cream, there's no moisture on your face, you understand? If it feels tight, flaky or scaly, you see some kind of like, how do you call it? You just look scaly, tightness, this tightness, you're probably likely that you have dry skin. If the shine is only on, you know, this is only on this place, like mine, just even touching it like this, I have not applied cream on my face, just touching it like I can feel it, T-zone. If it's shiny here, just here, you probably have combination skin because it's just here. Then this other side might feel that dry or flaky feeling, that tightness, then that means you have combination skin. Yes, we have people that have dry skin on their face, the hair or at their back they have oily skin. Yes, we have people that have that is combination skin. Yeah. Then if your skin feels like it feels hydrated, that you feel comfortable in your skin after the 30 minutes wait, it's not oily, then that is normal skin for you. That's the first method, the watch and wait method, because you probably be checking that after washing your face, wait for 30 minutes, then you now try all those things I told you. So that's for the first method, which is called the watch and wait method. That's how you get to identify your skin type at home. Yeah. And the second one is the blotting sheet method. This method, if you use a blotting sheet, yeah, okay, see what I'll be using. This is a pocket tissue. I'm actually using a pocket tissue to do this method. If when you press the skin, the blotting sheet absorbs oil, yeah, and you can use them to help you identify your skin type. Then how to go about this method? After washing your face, just like how you started the watch and wait method, after washing your face with either your cleanser, your mild cleanser, or your facial soap, what you do is you pat it dry and wait for 30 minutes, and then use your blotting paper or blotting sheet. You can start from your forehead, hold the sheet up there, then take it out. Use a light to observe if you see any oil marking, because definitely if there is oil on your skin, you press it and then there is oil on your skin, it's going to definitely absorb into the tissue. You just see the mark. You might not necessarily see oil in the tissue, it will not soak, but you are going to see a mark on the tissue. Okay, so now I told you that here my T-zone, that's here, and it's oily. I don't know how to show you, but I can see the marking. This light is not allowing me to show. There's a marking on it which shows that this part of my face is oily. Yeah, that part of my face is oily. And you could also try other parts of your body, your face. Let's say your face. Try it. That side is dry. So I have combination skin because I noticed that this part of my body is always shining, glittering, and here you can even see from the camera, there's no makeup on my face, but you can see this part, they are shining. That's where it's oily, yeah, on my face. These other parts, they are just okay. So I have a combination skin. So if the blotting sheet or the tissue, because I'm using tissue, absorbs no oil at all, there is no oil or no oil marking on it, then you have dry skin. That's nothing. The tissue or the blotting sheet is the way you use it. There is no marking. That is dry skin. The first one, which is my skin, it showed a marking on the tissue, which shows it's combination skin. Okay, let's recap on this blotting sheet method. I said earlier, after washing your face and you pat it dry, you wait for 30 minutes, you take a blotting sheet or tissue, whatever you have available. Use it on different areas of your skin or face. Since we are using the face, let's say you tried it here, you look at it. If there is a lot of oil marking or enough oil on your blotting sheet, then likely you have oily skin. But if you try it, let's say you try here, it's nothing. You try it here, like mine. I have oily skin, as I show you can see it's shiny. You have a little marking, just this side is right. Then you have combination skin, because not all parts of your body is oily, you understand. Then if you do it all around your face and it's just very minimal marking of oil or whatever, that's normal skin. Yeah, if you do it and then there's nothing, it's just there. dry skin. Okay, it's important to remember that any skin type can be sensitive or prone to breakout. I have combination skin, but I still have breakouts, though it is once in a while due to hormonal, changes. But we have people that have dry skin. They have dry skin, that their dry skin is also very sensitive. See, we have people with oily skin, sensitive skin. We have people with normal skin, but they are still prone to breakout, and they still have sensitive. So any skin type at all, it can be prone to acne and is also very sensitive. Though with normal skin, they experience this acne or breakouts or sensitivity very minimal. So it's the best skin is normal skin, because you are less likely to experience most of these things just once in a while. Let me see. This is where this particular people likes coming out, but that's it. I would say this is the best skin. Is the way you handle your skin that determines how your skin is. You might have a very dry skin, but the right products to use, and your skin will be popping. You understand? You could have oily skin, the right products to use, and you still have very lovely skin. Doesn't mean you must have a normal skin or skin like mine. Skin like my pop. Don't mind me, Jerry. Okay, so that's that for this video. Those are the two methods, yeah, of how to identify your skin type at home. Yes, the struggle is really low to get beautiful skin, no day easy. Yes, the watch and wait method, and then the second one is the blotting sheet method. So if you are having issues identifying the type of skin you have, these two methods are accurate enough to let you know or identify your skin type, so that you know the right products to use for your skin. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you like to see more of this video, please remember to thumbs up. Yes, and for those of you that have just been watching my videos for a while without subscribing, please do well to subscribe. You just click on it. You are not paying, it's free. Please just click on the subscription button and that bell icon, so that anytime I upload a new video, it will pop up and you'll be notified. So guys, watch out for more of my videos. I have so many videos. Yeah, so just go check I Means Beautiful and you see other videos. You could learn one or two things. Yes, remember to drop your questions if you have in the comment section below, and I'll do well to answer. We own a spa. It's located in 65 Barrow. So for any of your skincare issues, you could give us a call. The WhatsApp number will be there. If you have any skin issues, just drop us a WhatsApp message or pay us a visit. We will help you to the journey. All right, guys, see you on another video. Bye.